Hello, I'm Marissa Sweet. I'm a self-taught painter and teacher. I have been teaching art for over 20 years, and I'm a self-taught artist. I do not have a fine art degree. Everything I share in this channel comes from years of experience in the arts. It's a lot of experimentation and curiosity with different mediums, a lot of trial and errors. I've been teaching for the past 20 years now, and I believe everyone is an artist, and art can be taught. I've been living the life of a professional artist, and sometimes it can be difficult. So here I'm going to share all the struggles, all the breakthroughs, and all the joys of making art. Making something with your own hands. Here you're gonna find painting tips, demos, studio chats, and honest conversations about creativity. If you're just beginning to paint, or you're just coming back to painting from a long life of whatever, this channel is for you. Here, I'm gonna share with you my personal perspectives, things that have helped me along the way, and things that I've learned through the years of practicing painting. So, if you want to continue exploring art, learning about growing as an artist, this space is for you. So let's create together. Thank you very much for joining me. Sweet out. Bye for now.